What's going on, Nomies? How you doing today? Look what I got in the mail. I finally got my model gswh-2 Girard gas tankless water heater for endless hot water here in the RV. Let's open this sucker up, see what we got. We got attention installer, so this is for professional installation. Is strongly recommended. I'm going to professionally install this gas water heater. We got our owner's manual, control box there, and here she is. Slide this sucker out of here. Doesn't look like there's any damage on it. That's always good. And of course it's upside down. Looks like there's a little bit of moisture in the bag. It was raining today when they delivered it off, but see, we got all of our electrical. It's our gas line input, cold or hot, and our exhaust. Master switch, our fuse box, pressure release valve. Very, very nice. Looks like a very, very well put together unit here. Girard. Can't wait to have some hot water. Now, what else do we got here? Now, when you order one of these water heaters, you have to make sure you get the correct door. They have a Model 1 and they have a Model 2. So when you order them, you got to make sure that you order the correct model door for your model water heater. So if you don't, it can get very confusing, and you may not get the right door. Let's take a look at this. There it is. Yep, model gswh-2 conversion door kit for my Pace Arrow. I wonder if it came in black. That would be awesome. Yes, it did. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice looking product, Girard. Now let's go get this sucker installed.